Okay, so you want to learn how I laser engraved in the 4th axis. Let me show you. On the left we have the Carvera laser. This is the post processor for laser engraving on the 3rd axis, the basic laser engraving. On the middle we have the Carvera wrap. This is the post processor for the 4th axis, the basic milling 4th axis post processor. On the right we have the laser wrap post processor. This is the post processor I made. Let me show you the differences. Alright, if you look at the Carvera laser, you will see the laser support as yes. If you look at the Carvera wrap, the middle one, it says rotary wrap y equals -a. Grabbed both of those and put that into my new file, laser wrap. If you look at the left, the Carvera laser, there is var power. I am assuming that is for laser power. If you look in the middle, the Carvera wrap, you will see that it has var wrap diameter. I'm assuming that is for the 4th axis wrapping. So I grabbed both of those and copy and pasted into the new file. I added the var power and the var wrap diameter. Alright, if you scroll down, you will find more differences. On the Carvera laser on the left, you will find this comment, laser mode on. I grabbed all of that, copy and pasted into my new file. In the middle, the Carvera wrap, you will find that G-code. Grab some of that G-code and copy and paste it into the new file. On the left, the Carvera laser, there is jet tool on, jet tool off, jet tool power. We copy those and paste them into the new file. Then at the very end, on the commands output at the end of the file, we copy some of that G-code into our new file, turn off that laser when the file is finished. And that should be it. When you are setting up the 4th axis project and use the laser engraving toolpath with the 4th axis laser engraving post processor you just finished, on the Makera controller you have to set an offset. My machine's offset is -4.1 millimeters on the y-axis. You have to do some trial and error around -4, -3, -5 until you figure out that sweet spot, and you'll have a perfect synced up 4th axis laser to the 4th axis milling. And that's it.